Hello and welcome back to KDB Vlogs from Amchi, Mumbai. Yes, I am in Mumbai for another 2 days, and so I thought maybe I'll simply vlog it out. I'm right now in Bandra. I wanted to go to some motorcycle bike accessory place. There is Race Motors showroom here. Unfortunately, मेरे पास अपना GoPro मैं लेके आया हूँ, Insta 360 भी लेके आया हूँ जिससे मैं शूट कर रहा हूँ. बट मैं एक दो क्लैम्प्स भूल गया हूँ उसके, तो क्लैम्प्स के लिए मेरे को जाना पड़ेगा. I have come to my in-laws place and they stay in Bandra. So I've always been hearing Bandra, 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 Bandra. It feels like a little too overhyped to me. थोड़ी बहुत गलियां एक्सप्लोर करते हैं बांद्रा की और दिखाते हैं कि आखिर आखिर ऐसा है क्या जिसके लिए लोग इतने क्रेजी है. सो टुडेज आइटिनरी इज आई हैव टू गो टू अ मोटर स्टोर राइस मोटो है बट इन दैट्स इन अंधेरी वेस्ट. सो यहाँ से निकल के मोस्ट लाइकली आई टेक a cab to Rice Moto. In the meanwhile, I'm a little thirsty, so let's grab a drink somewhere. The next vlog, we'll walk around in Bandra, see what is Bandra all about. Everybody seems to be talking. The other day I met somebody, he's like, bro, you going to Mumbai, you stay in Bandra, Pali Hills. So right now I'm in Bandra, Pali Hills or Pali Village. This is one of the oldest villages, and that's exactly where I'm putting up the place. And it's a pretty nice uh, cafe that's come up. It seems to be really overhyped. It's a new cafe. See all celebrities, influencers walking in all day, all night. Not all night. They shut down by the evening. And the problem is, एक या दो दिन के लिए मैं आया हूँ. एक दो दिन में सब जगह जाके सब कुछ खाना टेस्ट करना पॉसिबल नहीं है और ना ही मैं कोई फूड ब्लॉगर हूँ कि मैं जाऊँ. But then I will certainly show you a lot of places. Like this particular lane itself is so pretty. There's small houses. It's kind of a small village. You see there are narrow lanes, and I really like how the whole concept is. That's big. Apo. I come there. It's a very small cafe. I'm a little confused. I've been through these lanes a couple of times, but then this, my friend, is Pali Village. It's very peaceful. They have some old houses, some private buildings, but yeah, it's not very much commercial. It's mostly रेसिडेंशियल. उसके बीच में ही कुछ लेफ्ट राइट छोटी मोटी चीज़ें खुली हुई है. इट्स प्रीटी हॉट एंड माय शूज are kind of giving me trouble. Okay, so this is the hill road if I'm not wrong. Very busy, man. Places here are pretty busy. That's Theo Broma. My god. The very famous Theo Broma. People die for the brownies. I love their brownies. And this is something really nice. कल भी मैंने देखा था. I don't know ये क्या है. It seems like a bar restaurant. पिलाइए ना एक बढ़िया पानी वाला. ये सामने क्या बार है क्या? हाँ, होटल है. वाह, वाह. The look is really amazing. Looks shady and old, but then I think that's the intent of it. Unfortunately, there's one particular blunder that I've done. I should have applied a lot of sunscreen. I've not applied at all. I'm sweating, and by the end of the day, I'm gonna look really shady. So this is one shop. I can see a lot of things here. Jimmy's Burger. I can see some bun maska nostalgia thing. Punjab sweet. छोटी छोटी बहुत सी चीजें हैं यहाँ पे. There's one very famous bar here as well. The best part is every lane here has something to offer. And my god, this hill climb is kind of showing up on my shin. I just started walking since past half an hour and मेरे पाँव दर्द कर रहे हैं. And this should come out in the same lane. These lanes, I wonder how people come and park their car here. But then these old houses have been made very beautifully. एक वाइब तो है, वो थोड़ी गोवन टाइप की वाइब है वहाँ पे, जो अच्छा लग रहा है, away from the hustle, शोर शराबा and all that. And cool, हम घर की गली के पास निकल गए. वाह, आ गया. अभी आपके ऊपर स्टिच लाइन थोड़ा दी. Can you see one of my fingers chopped off?
हाँ थोड़ा बहुत, but that is वो नो सीन प्रीमियम ना थोड़ा बहुत वो इट डजंट वो आप आइडेंटिफाई जनरल पब्लिक आइडेंटिफाई नहीं, बट आपको स्टिच लाइन तभी दिखेगा जब लाइट का रिफ्लेक्शन इसके ऊपर हो रहा है ना. हाँ सन के एक्सट्रीम
सन राइट.
या प्रीमियम लेंस गार्ड 4,500 रुपए आए, बैटरी लो इससे बेटर.
Cool. So that's Rahul Bhai from 360 Global in Bandra. And मैं तो ले लिया 2-3 स्टफ, मुझे नहीं चाहिए थे, बड़ी अमेजिंग सेल्समैन भाई. Just somehow gather my stuff. Thank you so much, Rahul Bhai. Lovely meeting you.
Same,
and you can subscribe to my channel if you want. I'm into basically touring, so I've done a couple of rides. Let's see how it goes. Until then,
बेस्ट विशेस यार.
thank you so much. Thank you so much. So राहुल भाई से तो हमने ले लिया एक दो सामान. लांजी की स्टिक मुझे काफ़ी टाइम से चाहिए थी एक्चुअली, but then because I already had Telesin, this feels a lot more lighter. I cannot show you this stick because it is invisible, but हाँ इसका ऑपरेशन बहुत ज़्यादा स्मूथ है. कोइंसिडेंटली मैं थोड़ा लेट हो गया हूँ, so we'll simply catch a cab or a Rick, that's what they say in Mumbai. So I'll catch a Rick to Andheri West because we'll be headed to Rice Motor Store. And this, my friend, is Rice Moto. Calcutta में तो है नहीं, so I thought maybe I'll come and check out some good stuff available here at Rice Moto. And you know, Calcutta में तो बहुत ही दिक्कत होती है. You know, you cannot find some good gears. सब जगह बहुत मिलता ही नहीं है, या तो फिर जो लिमिटेड स्टॉक है उसी में सेलेक्ट करना पड़ता है. So I've come to this Rice Motor store. They've opened currently in 4-5 locations. One of them is in Mumbai. So this is the store. It's very unique. It has some couple of 4 brands that they deal into, and most of them are internationally known brands. They have jackets. They have jackets of all basic ranges for speeds, for touring, for street riding. They have a lot of gloves. Thankfully, I have got a glove for myself from this company, Tucano Urbano. Supposedly and surprisingly fits me. So for the first time, मुझे कोई glove proper fit आए हैं. I think I'll have to dump my Rhinox dry ice gloves. Anybody interested in buying my gloves, let me know. I've just done one ride on it. So these are the basically gloves that I've always wanted to buy. Not this in particular, but something that would fit me. Unfortunately, I have 3 gloves. The Klim also doesn't fit me. This is the store. They have a couple of brands and right, so they have amazing collection. The best was they have Acer Biscay gears also. I wanted to buy one, but then I'm wondering if I will actually pursue a lot of MX or not. And the best part is इनके पास जो भी मिल रहा है ना, everything is right here. You want to check out luggages, you can go surf. They have all the details present right there on the screen. So कुछ भी mod pack वगैरह लेना हो, कुछ भी करना हो तो है. So basically after surfing a lot, though I have everything, most likely enough for my touring, I have somehow picked up one glove. So these are the gloves that I've picked up for my daily or summer rides. And there's this trail pack that I've picked up. Basically ये handlebar पे लगता है. So in my next upcoming videos you will see these pretty frequently. And I've also bought some amazing stickers. They have great stickers and badges right here. Rice Moto had introduced themselves with the tires, right? First, पहले tires आए and then they started up with the gears. So they have their certain tires. They make it for all different sizes, wall heights, suitable to all different motorcycles. So even right here in the soft luggage and the hard luggage section, they have all panniers, top boxes from GV. Do you only have hard boxes of GV, right?
Yes.
Nothing else. Auto Engineer.
Indian brand.
It's an Indian brand. How different is it priced from GV?
So GVs are for 35,000. Auto engine is for around 16.
35,000 for a pair of
Only top
side,
box.
only top
Only top
box.
box.
Okay. Alright, so this was one more option that I had when I was buying my helmet. But then, so that's for 48,000 rupees. This is again the carbon composite that I have. It looks sleeker, but then I don't know. I kind of like the volume of LS2, so I bought that. Thank you so much. So, सर जी ने दिया है मुझे एक छोटा सा goodie bag along with whatever I've purchased. That's sweet. What is in the goodie bag, by the way? It's a cap.
कैप से balaclava है.
Oh, you have a balaclava. तो balaclava ही तो मैं ढूंढ रहा था.
राइस किचन से.
So nice, Sayam. Lovely meeting you. Thank you so much for your guidance. निकल तो हम गए हैं. निकल के हमें लेना है left, and we are on it. Alright, so I'm done with the अंधेरी part. So I've been to Rice Moto, जैसा आपने देखा, and बहुत अच्छे से मुझे gear वगैरह मिल गए. और अब हम जा रहे हैं वापस बैंड्रा. So right now we go for the Bandra darshan, and I think that I'll put in the next vlog because this is gonna be a little two different topics absolutely. So let's see what Bandra has to offer. What hype is it, and the food, the place. Let's see what people mean when they say that, bro, Bandra.